Merry Christmas, you guys. I am going to go ahead and make these beautiful snowflakes, and I am be making a Christmas ornaments. Look at the pink. So I have the pink glitter as well as the red. So these are going to be just ornaments that I'm be making, and I'll link everything on my Amazon Fun Store. Now, these little ornaments are really good. They're thick, they're not too thin, and they are clear. So we're going to go ahead and remove one side. The whole thing is going to come out. It's not hard. It's just tedious. That's it. But once you remove it, trust me, it goes by quick. It comes with a little ribbon, so it's perfect. You have the red little ribbon under to hang it, and they're really thick. They're not really thin. They are acrylic, and they are really clear. Once you open them, no need to clean them. They're gonna look gorgeous when you hang them up, and trust me, they're gonna last a while. So all you have to do is peel it and remove one side, flip it. You're gonna peel it again, and you can even do this before you start, and then remove it, and look at how clear that's gonna look. Now that looks gorgeous. And these are going to be gifts for coworkers. These are going to be gifts for friends and family members. I am making a custom Christmas ornament so they can hang up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a white sheet just so you guys can see it, because since it is so clear, I don't want the ornaments to get lost in the mat. But look at how pretty. Now the pink one is in glitter and the red one isn't. I couldn't find it in the glitter, but I will look for it in the glitter next time since it came out really pretty. I don't see why not. So I'll probably link for the vinyl down below as well, so you can get a discount. I'll link everything you need down below because you guys are always asking me. Don't worry, everything comes at a discount. Just press on it, it'll take you right to where you need to find your stuff. So don't ever be afraid, everything is there. So while I am getting everything ready, I'm going to look for my transfer tape. I will be using my small scraper. Guys, use your small one for these projects. The big one will just be too big and it'll actually mess up the project instead of helping you get it together. So use the small one. And then I'll be using my favorite transfer tape. I love this one with the grid lines. I'll link that link down below as well. You guys, this tape, this transfer tape is my favorite because of the lines. Once you peel it off, those lines are going to guide you to put your decal even better. So I'll link that down below, but I'm going to show you really quick. You just pull it and the lines are going to come out with it, and the lines kind of guide you. You're going to need those lines to guide you. You're going to add it to your design. You're going to grab your scraper and you're going to scrape it because you don't want no bubbles in there, no air bubbles. So you need to scrape it. Some people just use their fingers. It's fine as well. Use both. Use one, use the other, as long as you do it. Once you're ready to lift it, it's going to come out. Look at how easy. You see how easy the transfer tape picked it up? Now you have your little lines to guide you. Make sure the ornament is nice and straight before you add it on there. Once you add it on there, you will not be able to lift it. However you placed it on there, it's going to stay. Once you have it exactly how you want it, you're going to scrape it or put it with your fingers onto the ornament, and then we're going to lift that transfer tape and we're going to see how that comes out. Once you lift your transfer tape, put it directly onto the other, so you can go ahead and get at least 5 uses out of this piece of tape before you have to grab another one. So right directly onto that one, scrape it on there, and then you have it ready for your next project. But let me show you how this came out. Look at how gorgeous this is. Can you guys see the glitter on there? I love it. I love the way it looks. Then you have your little ribbon on there to add it. Since that one is pink, I'll be using another ribbon. So I'm going to use something that is pink just to do the pink one. The red one, I will obviously get the red ribbon. It's your decision which one you use. I like them both, but I think I use the pink one since the other one is solid red. I use the pink one, which will be in the pink red. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think these little ornaments Once I package them up, I'll do a little video on Instagram so you guys can see how I package them to actually give them away. But I think they're adorable. I love the way they came out. Now I'm going to use this string to cut the same length for the other one because I wanted the same length. And look at how perfect it came out. It's like the same thickness as well. Grab your string, you're going to put it right through the ornament, and then you're going to tie a little knot. Just like if you were tying your shoes, but you're going to do that to the top. Go around, go in and out, and then pull the string. Can you guys see that? And then just pull it. Pull it from both sides. Pull it from the bottom to make sure it's super tight and it's not going anywhere. And there you go. You have a gorgeous little ornament ready to give to anybody, whoever you're going to give it to. And let's keep going. We have a ton more to make. So I'll be making the red one next. Make sure your ornament is right how you want it. Then you're going to set it. Oh, no, this is a pink one. Sorry. You're going to scrape it. And make sure you scrape it really good because it could lift and you could break the vinyl. Don't ever think because you're an expert at it that you can just skip any steps. Make sure you do all the steps the same way. That way your results come out the same. Take your time. This is a DIY. You don't have to go super fast. And I'm going to cut the string the same length as well. And I'm going to add it to my ornament. So I love it. I love the way it came out. You guys, I could have done a white string on here as well because I did have the white in the thin. I didn't have any hot pink, so I decided to use this pink, and I'm glad I did. It's going to come out super cute. Now, I could give these out to my coworkers. I could give these out to family members, to nieces, nephews. Now, let's do a red one, and let's see how the red one comes out. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to peel the front and then peel the back. And look at how the whole thing comes out. Let's see, as soon as you get a little piece of it, the whole thing just comes out. Now, it has to come out clear. If it doesn't, it's because you still haven't peeled it. So make sure you peel both sides. Don't let that fool you. It's a little hard to get it, but once you get it, you're set. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the red. So the red is really cute. I wasn't able to do it in the glitter, but that's okay. I use red regular, shiny vinyl. So it came out really adorable. I love the way it looks. You guys, it's so pretty. You're just going to do the same step. You're going to place it right in the middle, whatever the middle is to you. Place it down. Push it in and use your scraper. Grab the other one to make sure it's ready for the next transfer. And let's see how that came out. Oh my God, I love the red. And I'm going to add it to the next one. So it's ready for the next step. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my string. What do you guys think? Look at how gorgeous that is. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add my string through there. And I'm going to tie a knot right on the top. What do you guys think? Isn't it gorgeous? I am loving it. What do you like? Do you like the pink or the red? Because, of course, if your Christmas tree is blue, you can make it blue. If your Christmas tree color is silver, make it silver. If your Christmas tree color is red, white, gold, make it that color. But these are going to be giveaways, so they're not going on my tree. Of course, I can make my own if I needed to. I'm sure they'll come out really adorable. I'm going to tie a knot at the top. And voila, just like that, I have a beautiful ornament that I'm going to, I'll show you on Instagram when I package it to give it away to friends, how it looks. But I love them both. Now here you go. Just like that, I made them all. So now the next step is just to add the string on here. But look at how they look. They look so cute. So don't worry about that. I'll link everything on my Amazon front store so you can go and get your own, and you can make your own customized DIY Christmas ornaments. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And hit that little bell so you get more notifications. All I'm doing is cutting my string because I'm going to do a mix of the pink and the red. So if it is in pink, I'm doing the pink. If it is in red, I'm going to do the red. And I'm just going to make sure that I tie every knot super tight so it doesn't come out. Now, I'll show you how I package them on Instagram. So you can go ahead there. Make sure you guys subscribe to that as well so you can see more of my notifications and different things I cannot add here, unfortunately. Now, there you go. I did them all just like that. What do you guys think? Aren't they adorable? So now all you have to do is choose pink or red. It's up to you. I love them both. I think they came out adorable. Merry Christmas, you guys. And until next time, bye, you guys.